To my brothers and sisters in Islam, As-salamu alaykum. Today, inshallah, I will give you a brief update to the previous video I made regarding the iPhone lock screen, where you can add the Hijri calendar on your display. So after updating to iOS 16, you should go on settings, scroll down, go on calendar, go on the alternate calendars and select Islamic, just as before. And when you go back to your lock screen, you can swipe up from the left or lock your phone and unlock it. You're met with this screen. Just hold and tap at the center, so you're in this edit mode, and then click at the top where the date is written. Over there, if you scroll down, you can see these different date formats of Gregorian and Hijri. So make sure you select Hijri and click set as wallpaper pair or whichever one you prefer. And this way you can get the Hijri calendar on your new iOS 16 onwards devices. In my opinion, this new layout of the lock screen is way better than the previous one, and that is mainly due to the fact that the Hijri date is a lot more readable due to the larger font size. So that covers up how you can get the new updated lock screen on your iPhone to have the Hijri calendar show up right at the top as well. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next video. As-salamu alaykum.